wasn't going to film anything today, but we've just pulled up to the Tawe. It's on 1.5 already. River predictor says it's dropping, but judging by the rain that's just hit my car, I'm not sure it is. So this could be a case of Tawe Moors again, or it could be a spicy Tawe lap. Well, we've driven up to Tawe Moors. I've not been in a river yet, but I'm soaking wet. It is absolutely pouring it down with rain. Currently trying to find somewhere where we can get out safely. Not looking too good so far. I wish I'd had my camera down by the river. I'd have shown you what it looked like, but we can't really see anywhere too obvious to stop, but we'll keep looking. Tawe Moors, let's go.